Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting your Microsoft account and payment method ready. Log in on Xbox.com or the Xbox app. Once signed in, confirm your billing address and add a credit card, PayPal, or redeem an Xbox gift card immediately so the purchase can complete. Make sure you choose the right subscription tier now because that affects game access and perks. You'll avoid interruptions during checkout if your account has verification enabled. Keep two-factor ready to approve any security prompts. Now select the Game Pass product. Navigate to the Game Pass section in the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and tap Subscribe. Once there, compare what each plan includes: Cloud Play, EA Play access, and whether it covers console, PC, or both, so you pick the best value for your needs. Choose monthly or annual billing and confirm any introductory pricing. After selecting payment, follow the prompts to enter card details or apply a gift card. Verify totals and accept terms before finalizing check. Once the transaction completes, check services and subscriptions in your Microsoft account to confirm activation and start date. You should see Game Pass listed with renewal info. Then sign into the Xbox app or your console and open the Game Pass library to download games. Make sure your device has enough storage and a stable internet connection. If something goes wrong, retry payment with a different card or remove expired cards. If issues persist, contact Microsoft support for billing help and keep screenshots of error messages to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.